Welcome to this 10-minute full body workout for beginners. Whether you're new to fitness or just looking for a quick and effective workout, this routine will get your heart pumping and your muscles working. The best part? You don't need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. All you need is a little bit of space and a positive attitude. So, grab your water bottle and let's get started. Before diving into the exercises, we need to make sure our bodies are warmed up and ready to go. Start with a few jumping jacks to get your blood flowing. Then, move on to some arm circles to loosen up your shoulders. Next, perform a few bodyweight squats to warm up your legs. Finally, finish off with some high knees to get your heart rate up. Push-ups are a classic exercise that work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Start by getting into a plank position, with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line and lower yourself down until your chest touches the ground. Push back up to the starting position and repeat. If traditional push-ups are too difficult, you can modify by doing them on your knees. Lunges are a great way to strengthen your legs and glutes. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one foot and lower your body down until both knees are at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle and your back knee is hovering above the ground. Push through your front heel to come back up and repeat on the other side. Planks are an amazing exercise for building core strength. Start by getting into a push-up position, but instead of lowering yourself down, hold yourself up in a straight line from head to heels. Make sure to engage your abs and glutes to keep your body in proper alignment. Hold for as long as you can and then rest. Squats are another great exercise for strengthening your legs and glutes. Start with your feet hip-width apart and your toes pointed slightly out. Sit back as if you were sitting in a chair, making sure your knees don't go over your toes. Once your thighs are parallel to the ground, push back up to the starting position and repeat. Russian twists are a fantastic exercise for working your abs and obliques. Start by sitting on the ground with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the ground. Hold a weight or water bottle with both hands and twist your torso to the right, bringing the weight towards the ground. Twist back to the left and repeat. Side planks are a great way to work your obliques and improve your balance. Start by lying on your side with your elbow directly beneath your shoulder. Lift your hips off the ground and hold for as long as you can. Repeat on the other side. Burpees are a full body exercise that will get your heart rate up in no time. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart. Lower yourself down into a squat position and then jump your feet back into a push-up position. Do one push-up and then jump your feet back to your hands. Finally, jump up into the air and land back in the starting position. Repeat. Leg raises are a great way to work your lower abs. Start by lying on your back with your legs straight up in the air. Slowly lower your legs down until they are a few inches above the ground. Raise them back up to the starting position and repeat. To make the exercise easier, bend your knees slightly. After completing this 10-minute full body workout, it's important to cool down and stretch your muscles. Start with some gentle walking or jogging in place to lower your heart rate. Then, move on to some static stretches for your major muscle groups, such as your hamstrings, quadriceps, and chest. Congratulations, you made it through this 10-minute full body workout for beginners. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Aim to do this workout at least 3 to 4 times per week and gradually increase the number of reps or sets as you get stronger. Don't forget to fuel your body with healthy food and drink plenty of water throughout the day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness videos.